right, so this is a large digital wall clock. Something we have truly wanted for a while, just because there's a couple of areas in our house where I don't think we actually have a clock. Like, we don't have a smart home device where you can see what time it is. So we've wanted something like this. Special thanks to this company. Special thanks to XREXS for sending this to me. Now, they do make this in 4 different colors: black, blue, white, and pink. This is the white one. Tons of little features over here: 12 and 24-hour display formats, clear display technology, count up and down timer, dual use desktop and wall clock, day display, temperature. You can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, calendar, low power reminder, 1 group of alarms, and a button battery memory time. Count up and down timer there, and the little XREXS logo there. Same there. Let's open up one of these sides and get into this thing. Slide it out. We're definitely keeping this, putting it on our wall. Oh yeah. That's it for in the box, nothing else in there. All right, take that off. And a little instruction manual here, probably how to set everything up. Look at that. They even include where to put the mounting holes. A little template, very nice. And this is the actual device. Oh wow, all kinds of buttons over here to change things. There's where you can wall mount it. My bad. Here is all the batteries. Wow. Which some of these batteries are wrapped. That one's wrapped in plastic, so is that one. So I'll need to pop these out and take the plastic off. Side note for you guys. And if you don't want to hang this, you can also just use the stand and just set it like that. But we're definitely gonna hang ours, fill off that. And yeah, we got to pop out these. So there's 2 AAAs, and then there's 4 AAs. And like I said, a couple of them still have plastic around them, so they're not in use. Actually, looks like all of these have plastic around them. Those definitely don't feel like they have any plastic on them. There we go. Now we gotta set the time. So, oh, I see. Plus, down, set. What time is it?
It's 10:22 a.m.
So I got it back to 9, hit the plus, and the set button, which is that one. There we go. It is Wednesday. It's 71 degrees, 10:22 a.m. What's today's date?
It's Wednesday, April 27th, 2022.
And there we go. It's all set up. Now we can go hang it up. All right, so step 1, this is so you can know how to mount it. We're gonna put ours in our bathroom here, right above where we hang our robes, because in our bathroom, we don't have any clock in here. So a lot of times we're getting ready, but we don't know what time it is. This will let us know. So you can do this 2 kind of ways. You can either make holes in this and mark it with a pin, or you can just hold this up and drill through it. I normally just hold it up and drill through it. But once your 2 screws are in, it just slides right down into the holes and you're set. It'll be all up and ready to go. So I've got my 2 screws and I've got my drill. So let's make these holes. Let's see, now I can kind of just level this out, put the other screw in, and rip away the paper. And so there we go, our holes are mounted. We can rip away our paper. We have our screws in the wall, and then we just take our giant clock and line up the 2 holes back here with the 2 holes here. You kind of hear them fall in place. There we go. Shouldn't be going anywhere. Now we'll know what time it is in our bathroom. Love the size of this, very easy to read no matter how far away it is. Too big, thumbs up. I love it. We will see you in the next one. Deuces.